Hi, right, let's have a look at some connectors. There are different connectors that do different things. Some sequence the time, put the time in order. There are lists. If you emphasize or add information, maybe you give reasons or a consequence or result. You can give examples and you contrast, show differences. For example, time sequences might be eventually, finally, in the end. Firstly, secondly, finally, in lists. If you add emphasis or emphasize something, you might say, in fact, what is more, giving reasons, as a result, therefore, as a consequence, giving examples, such as, which is similar to for example. And you may contrast, although, whereas. However, here are a group of connectors. Here are their functions. Try to match. For example, this group would go to lists. Put the video on pause, match the expressions or connectors with their function. Put the video on pause now. Okay, now you've had time to think and match. Let's have a look at the answers. We know the first one, of lists. Here are the others. Did you get the answers correct? Look at the list. If you're not sure of the meaning, check online, have a look in the dictionary. Here are some sentences. Try to complete the answers. What do you think number one is? A, B, or C? Well done. Okay, in spite of this. So it's even though or however, although. How about here? Which one is the answer? A, B, or C? This means we're looking for as a consequence. Many people speak it as a consequence. It is a good language to learn. So therefore. How about here? What's the correct answer? A, B, or C? Well done. Okay, we can begin here. For example, if it's related to something that came before. Try to use these expressions in your next writing. Don't use all of them, but maybe use one or two or three, and gradually use different ones the more you write. Good luck.